Hi, this is Sue Crafts One. I'm making picture frame craft, do-it-yourself craft. I'm using mesh material and a disposable grill topper. It was $1. Some mesh material, an old picture frame I had, some letters, and I glued on teeny tiny little flowers. And then I'm going to glue it all together to make my craft. And hopefully it works. So, which it will. Alright, enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Let me get my camera set up here. There, can you see it okay? I'm not going to cover anything up. Okay. As you can see, I also put little butterflies on there. Okay. Now I glued the mesh fast to the little grill topper. And this is what I came up with. Which is cute. Okay, move the letters. Now the picture frame is going to get glued like that. So turn it that way. Get this set up where I want it. Hopefully my glue stick is warm enough, which it is. Let it dry. Make sure it's stick down. Add another glue stick here. Glue this side. Re-glue this one. Dry. That's what the back of it's going to look like. And then we flip it over. That's what it looks like. That's cute. Put little butterflies in the corner. And then I'm going to glue on the letters with the teeny tiny flowers on. And I'm going to just make them in whatever crazy direction I feel like. you go. The Sue Crafts one. Please like and subscribe. Stuck fast. That's pretty. And you can always add greenery or maybe a picture or two here and there. Whatever your little heart desires. It's your craft. Hope you enjoyed. The Sue Crafts one. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Be safe.